Sometime a honey come back. Sometime I'm on a red back jack. Sometime I get a...
So, this is a water which is created by tessellation. As I said later on, I will show you the water which we created by Kuda, by the way, so not bad one. This is maybe a little bit better in case of if you look for the waves. They are more dynamic, acting more like a normal water. And just if you disable tessellation, this is the way how the water looked in the few months, maybe a couple of years ago in the gate. And I guess you agree with me that it's not realistic at all. Or it looks a little bit, I'm sure that 3-4 years ago when you saw this water, you did like, wow, yeah, because a couple of years ago it was amazing, but today it's, no one probably is amazed from such a low level of details. And even if you look here for the landscape, it's with very low details. Again, if you add the tessellation, and I'm not adding much here, I can use for 100%, which is really this 1.6 billion triangles on the screen. It will be very difficult. But you see that the water looks completely different. Just about the geometry. I didn't mention it on the start, but if you remember, when we come with, for example, GeForce FX, there was one of the chips a long time ago when we did some really major changes. In this time, since the GeForce FX, we increased shader performance really 100 times, but we increased the geometry performance like 2-3 times, or maybe even more than 2 times. So the first time we are really putting more on the geometry and reducing less the shaders is the GF100, because the GF100 is like 8 times geometry performance in compared to GT200, which is a really big step. In the past it was really very, very low. So